I wanted to show you today what I did with my eye makeup and with my makeup in general. So we have 3 new shadows that just came out, and it's a collection. It's called Pretty in Pink. So I decided to use all of them on my eyes, and I've never done these colors before, and I've never done this look before, so I thought it would be fun. So I wanted to show you, this is Ballet Slipper. Isn't this a pretty pink? And it's a matte, and I put it all on my eyelid, all the way, and even into the corner of my eye, and then down here. So I went into the corner and down here like a V with this Ballet Slipper. And then I took the next color, which is called Pretty in Pink, and that is a darker pink. See the difference? Okay, this is a warmer pink, and I used that all the way up here, from here all the way, and blended it in to the corner. And I always make sure that I have a 45-degree angle at the corner so that my eyes are lifted up. And then I took the Sweet Rose Pink, which is a soft shimmer, not real sparkly, and I put it on my eyelids over the top of the Ballet Slipper. Now, to give it depth, I used French Roast shadow. So here's French Roast, and here's the 3 pinks that I used. Okay, these all come in a collection with a special bag. And then I used navy blue waterproof pencil on my tight line and my water line. And then I took the French Roast. Forgot to tell you how I did it. So see that in the corner? See that depth in the corner there in a V? And then I took that French Roast and put it up underneath my lashes and connected the Ballet Slipper in the corner into the French Roast. And then I chose for my lip color a very great coordinating color from a different collection. And this lip color is called Amber Spice, and it is from the Sunset Skies collection, but I thought it looked really, really good together. So you can see that here's all the eye colors that I used. Here's all the eye colors. And here is the lip color. So you can see they all go together, and here they are in my hand. You can see that they're all color coordinated. And then I took a little bit of the Pretty in Pink and I mixed it with pearlizer, and that's what I used on my cheeks. So I used shadow mixed with pearlizer on my cheeks. What do you think? If you like it, you could do it. Find all these products on liquidmakeup.com.